Okay, so now we've painted our snake. We've chosen more of a fantasy approach, the green snake with the pink polka dots. What we're going to do now is something that you probably have in your house. We're going to use some foil to make him really interesting. And what we'll do is you can use scissors or you can tear the foil. Choose your side. And what I like to do is rip or cut a shape that we can actually wrap around. So I'm going to give this snake a foiled tail. And we're just going to squeeze it in that same area, that same place that we put the tape down. And we're going to make the shape of his tail. It's important that we don't squeeze it too tightly so that we can maintain a shape. And really, foil is pretty easily manipulated. It's a fun product to work with. And we can squeeze it in like this. We can also take pieces of foil and wrap it around and give him some stripes. I always think that this looks really interesting on our snake. And if we run out, it's okay. We can always add more. We can just wrap it right around. And foil holds pretty well. So you can always put a dot of glue if there's a problem with that.